What's up, guys? Welcome to a Roblox game. Today, this is my first playing Roblox in a video. So let's do this. Okay. Basic B. I think you gotta collect these. How to collect? Just tap. Oh, okay. Okay. Just like that. What the heck? What is this? I don't know. I'll just collect them. I don't care. Collect this. I don't know what is this thing. Oh, look at that. There's so many. Oh no, mine. Oh, why is it so laggy? What? Okay, never mind. Just need these. Okay, why is it so laggy? You guys will be lagging to me. You guys hate lag, I know that. Okay, make me honey. Yeah. Good. Come on, bee. Come on, give me some more honey. Dude, what? Come on. Yay. Who says AFK? Okay, let's go get some more honey or flowers. Okay, let's do this. Ooh, what's this? Shop? Who is that? Noob bear. Okay. 6. Can't afford to buy this. I don't know what it is for. Oh, it's the thing for my bag that collects the honey, I guess. Okay, let's get some more and more flowers. I'll adventure 2. What? 5. I think that's a bee. 5 bees. Oh, what the heck? Ladybug. Hey, come on, ladybug. Do my bees attack them? Yes, my bees attack them. Attack them, bee. Oh no. Taking damage. Come on, bee, kill him. Did I give you honey? I don't know. Dude. Oh no. Run. Go. Oh no. Run. Run from these boys. What? Oh, look at that. It's a bear. Okay. Let's see what this guy does to mother. Hello, there are new beekeeper? What? I'm Mother Bear. Pleased to meet you. My cubs are away at camp, but I still can't help feed. I need to Okay. Okay, guys. That was just too boring. Gotta do a quest. I'm just kidding. It was a good quest, but I don't like it. I don't like that bee. Oh, it's pollen. What's that cannon for? This. Sunflower field. Oh no! Got disconnected. Well, let's do another game. Not bee swarm. Because I got disconnected. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Adopt me. Jailbreak. Murder mystery. Murder mystery. Okay. Connecting. Wait for data. Why is it so long? Okay. 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 Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. What? Come on already. Okay. Yay. What was that? What? Oh, that is so cool. I don't even know what that is. Why am I saying that's so cool? Spectate. Who's the murderer? Is it? Oh, that's the murderer. How did? Oh no. Oh, damn. Gosh, I don't like that. Get the coin. Get the coin. But, dude, just a murderer. Dude, come on, dude. Do this, yes. You. Uh-oh. You're dead. Oh, that's the last guy. He just looks like him. I think they're brothers. Brothers, twins. Who cares? Oh dear. Oh boy. Oh gosh. Dude, he's right by that door. Nope. Oh! That was not incredible. Vote for next map, but there's no maps. What? I'll vote for nothing. Okay, let's get moving. Come on, What? I thought that was log.zip. Dante the M. Fan? You're a fan? Oh. I want to be the murderer. Ooh. Please be the murderer. Oh. Oh my gosh. That's the murderer. Wait, I'm the murderer. What? How? There's another murderer. Oh, he just killed that guy. Can't even kill somebody. Okay. Oh, that guy's butt. Dude. Where's the murderer? What? How? Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next... I think I'm gonna make another Roblox video. If you like this video, make sure to thumbs up. Bye.